Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. And today is day 20 of my yarn advent calendar. So let's get right into it. Because I can't wait. Not gonna keep you guys. 20. Wouldn't that be funny if it was the wrong day? Oh, nice and red. Ooh, isn't that gorgeous? That is so pretty. It's so shiny looking. Oh, and it's so soft. That's lovely. Okay. Stitch Studio. Why do I have such a hard time with that? And it's Heartfelt Heritage. And you know, they got everything one way than the other way on here on the label. Okay, so the color is Candy Apple. And it's a super bulky 6, 9mm knitting needles, and a 9mm crochet hook. Machine wash, gentle tumble dry on low. And it's 100% acrylic and 82 yards, 142 grams. And I love it. It is such a nice, dark, rich, shiny. It's got a shine to it. Beautiful, beautiful color. Isn't that, it's just wonderful. It's going to make something fabulous. You know what would be nice? If I made a Santa hat and I have some white fur, and then I put white fur on the edge, and then I have white pom-poms, put a white pom-pom on the top. Oh, I should so do that. I've got to go look for a Santa hat tutorial and try to make that. Before Christmas is over. I doubt it I'll be able to do it this year because I'm still working on some Christmas presents. But this would be perfect for that. So thank you again for coming and joining me today and opening up my day 20. And now we're on to moving forward to 21, 22, 23, 24, and the 25, the big 25, which I can't wait. And it's so close. I can't believe how close we are. Like, it's the 20th. Wow. How did we get here so fast? But thank you again. Have yourselves a wonderful day. Love you all. Love you bunches. And you have yourselves a fantastic rest of your week. Merry Christmas.